What are the biggest challenges that e-commerce faces right now?
I would say implementing a successful multi-channel strategy. Customers expect like a seamless experience across all relevant platforms, and especially the topic of marketplaces. In 2023, there are so many new marketplaces came on the market, and they have like very complex requirements that customers or merchants need to adjust to.
Which measures can you set for e-commerce, especially regarding the challenges right now?
I would say automation is also here the key to success. Like tools like Channable help you to automate processes like optimizing your product data feed, ensuring that you save time and increase your performance.